The first derby was played at the Eden Gardens on Sunday, the 25th of June 1967, and Mohun Bagan lose the lead and the game to East Bengal, which East Bengal beat by 2 goals to 1, and it was the 74th match between these two sides and silver jubilee win for East Bengal. Their 25th win between the two sides out of 74 matches. Before this derby, there was heated exchanges between the IFA and the clubs regarding the quota of tickets, as it was in great demand during those days. And Mr. S.K. Acharya, the president of the IFA, he even resigned on this issue of quota of tickets for both the teams. We welcome our viewers to Sana 24/7 YouTube channel and web portal for the report on the match, and we will bring you the first man to score a goal here at the Eden Gardens was none other than Vikramditya Debnath of Mohun Bagan. Mohun Bagan took the lead but lost the match by 2 goals to 1. Vikramjit Debnath, as all you know, he scored the first goal for Mohun Bagan, but in the end, in the second half, P. Sinha and Ashim Maulik, they reduced the margin and took the win. The winning goal was from Ashim Maulik of East Bengal. First goal was scored by Debnath at the Eden Gardens for Mohun Bagan. Debnath's goal was, however, a real beauty. Snapping cross pass from Altaf from the other side, Debnath put in a rising shot. Yes, a rising shot almost from the sideline, a little beyond the central line, and the ball flew into net line, and the ball was scripted as goal for Vijay Debnath, Vikramjit Debnath, as all you know, for Mohun Bagan. So, Thangraj, the giant of a goalkeeper in the East Bengal rank, evidently was completely befooled by that Debnath's goal. The flight completely befooled him, and Mohun Bagan were 1-up in the first derby played at the Eden Gardens. Yes, that was a great goal from Debnath. Parimal Dey, yes, Parimal Dey, who was injured. Yes, Parimal Dey, who had been injured in the first half, was about to quit in favor of S. Mondal, but through the persuasion of Shanto Mitra, he was retained and the policy paid them rich dividends. The pressure was so great and acute that Mohun Bagan citadel was subjected to heavy hammering, and had not the keeper, yes, his keeper of that Mohun Bagan, Jarnail Singh, the bedrock of safety, given one of the best displays of his career. Yes, otherwise the result would have been more different than what it was in the end. It was 2-1 in favor of East Bengal. One goal down scored by Vikramditya Debnath of Mohun Bagan. East Bengal came into a big attack in the second half. As you can see, the pressure was all on Mohun Bagan and Jarnail Singh. 5 minutes, yes, 5 minutes after the resumption, Prasanta Sinha, the most business-like East Bengal halfback, moved ahead and then released a powerful rising shot from a distance of about 25 yards, and the ball flew into the Mohun Bagan net after being deflected off Jarnail Singh's head. So it is 1-1. Mohun Bagan 1, East Bengal 1. So East Bengal drew with a long range shot from Prasanta Sinha, and it's 1-1. East Bengal continued the pressure, but the goal and a watch winner at that didn't come till before 5 minutes before the end. Yes, just 5 minutes before the end, a lob from Shanto Mitra, a left back, from a corner kick was nodded, yes, headed in by Ashim Malik, the great header from Ashim Malik, and East Bengal are 2-1 in the lead against Mohun Bagan, the first derby match to be played at the Eden Gardens, and the first goal is scored by that Bikram Ditya Devnath of Mohun Bagan, but in the end Ashim Malik he scored the winner. In the end, it is 25th win for East Bengal in 74 matches, and I will go through the team list. Just East Bengal team: Peter Thangraj in goal, Utkhil, Syed Naimuddin and Shanto Mitra, Kalon Guha, Prasanta Sinha the captain, KB Sharma, Mohammad Habib, Ashim Malik, Parimal Dey and Sarmat Khan. Mohun Bagan team: Kanai Sarkar in goal, Bikram Ditya Devnath, the man who scored the first goal in the derby to be played at the Eden Gardens, Jarnail Singh and C. Prasad, Altaf, B. Roy, S. Das, Samajpati, he was replaced by Sampat Kumar, Chunni Goswami, Kannan and Arumunayagam. The referee was N. Chatterjee, and the chief guest at this venue, the first derby match played at the Eden Gardens, was none other than the Governor of West Bengal, Honorable Governor of West Bengal, Dharamveer. Yes, he watched this match as the history was created by Bikram Ditya Devnath, and we spoke to Bikram Ditya Devnath on that day, that 25th of June, the Sunday, and the match was held on 25th of June 1967, and we spoke to Bikram Ditya Devnath, better known as Bikramjit Devnath, and he narrated this story to us, to Sana 24/7 YouTube channel. Now listen to Bikram Ditya Devnath, what he says about this match and the historic goal in the derby which he scored at the Eden Gardens. The first goal at the Eden Gardens is scored by Bikram Ditya Devnath. Over to Bikramjit Devnath.
25শে জুন 1967 সাল ইস্টবেঙ্গল মোহনবাগানে ডার্বি ম্যাচ। লিগ খেলার সেই ম্যাচে আমি 47 গজ দূর থেকে ইডেন উদ্যানে প্রথম, যিনি মোহনবাগান ইস্টবেঙ্গল খেলায় ইস্টবেঙ্গলের বিরুদ্ধে অঙ্গরাজকে পরাজিত করেছিলাম। কিন্তু দুঃখের বিষয়, ওই ম্যাচ আমরা 2-1 হেরে গেছিলাম। পি সিনহা একটা গোল করেছিল, আর সেন্টার ফরওয়ার্ড ইস্টবেঙ্গল সেন্টার ফরওয়ার্ড আমার এবং জার্নাল সিং এর মাঝখান থেকে সজোরে ডান পায়ে দ্বিতীয় গোল করে। এই খেলার অজস্র দর্শক, যারা ফুটবলকে মন প্রাণ দিয়ে ভালোবাসে, সেই খেলার আনন্দ উপভোগ করেছিল। আমার এখনো মনে হয়, আমি মনে হচ্ছে কয়েকদিন আগেই এই গোলটা করেছি। কারণ থঙ্গরাজের মতো বিশাল দেহি গোলকিপারকে পরাস্ত করা অত্যন্ত কঠিন, আর সেটা যদি হয় ইডেন উদ্যানের 47 গজ দূর থেকে বাঁক খাওয়া বলটা তার আয়ত্তের বাইরে দিয়ে দুটো কোণ দিয়ে ঢুকেছিল। আমি এখনো আশ্চর্য হয়ে যাই, এই পারফেকশনটা আমি বারবার থঙ্গরাজের সাথে প্র্যাকটিস করে করে উন্নত করেছিলাম এবং সেই অস্ত্রে তাকে পরাভূত করি। এই স্মরণীয় দিনটা আমি যখন মনে করি তখন আমি মনে করি আবারও বুঝি ওই ইডেন উদ্যানে গিয়ে খেলার সুযোগ পেলে ওভাবেই গোল করবো।
পাস দিয়েছিল কে?
আহ, আলতাফ।
আলতাফ পাস।
আলতাফ সেই পাসটা ও লেফট ব্যাকে খেলছিল, সেখান থেকে বলটা আমি রাইট ব্যাকে খেলছিলাম, থ্রো লাইন, সেন্টার লাইন কোণা থেকে আমি ডান দিক দিয়ে বলটা নিয়ে 10-15 গজ উঠি এবং সেখান থেকে লম্বা শটে আমি সংগ্রাহকে পরাস্ত করি।